live in a world where there are two models of love. The first being the popular model of love, and the second being the unpopular model of love. And from a distance, it is easy to believe that both models lead to a lifetime of happiness and true love. But nothing can be further from the truth, because one model eventually leads to devastating heartbreak, divorce, heartache, and despair, while the other model leads to true love, happiness, and long-lasting relationships. And the secret to knowing which is the correct model of love is knowing how to really touch a woman.
What do you do when you see a hot, beautiful, well-dressed lady?
I would say you're beautiful.
Or approach her, talk to her, try charm or something like that.
If she's close, I would just say, what's up? Nice dress.
I most definitely don't look back. You know, it just depends. Are we in town? Are we in a supermarket or what? But most of the time, I just applaud, you know, something nice is good.
Before he even says hi to me, what goes into his mind is, I should get that beautiful girl.
So what is love? What's the purpose of sex? How soon do girls want to start the physical touching in a relationship? So how hard is it these days to win a woman's heart? Banu vakambonara vese vanokwanisa here kuti tarambana zvinhu zvatopera pano. When a guy really loves a girl, at what point must he have sex with her? Is it easy to buy a condom in the shop? Pastor, getting back to you. True love, does it still exist?
Azvidi kuita rush. Zvinoda kuti mayouth atore nguva yavo kudzidzana so that they know each other. And izvi zvino zvinopa gwaro kugadzira rugo chaiko.